guys, oh no, whoopsies, I forgot this is not the GoPro. What is up, guys? Welcome back to just Ameerah's pool. Ta-da! Alright guys, so today I'm going to be doing a part 2 to the slime inside the pool. I did the part 1. It actually freaking works, guys. And I had 2 methods, first of all. I had a box method, the bowl, and I had a bag method. I thought the bag method would work better, but actually the box method worked better. But anyways, we're going to be trying it again. But we're going to, since we already did it, we're going to try and like do things that were bad. Like before, I tried to mix in the paint with the glue. Not a good idea. So now we're going to try this and hopefully it works. And last time, guys, it actually ruined my pool because there's so much glue in it. And then our pool turned into like a literal swamp. It became green and stuff. And oh my god, that was horrible. But we completely emptied it and refilled it. So now it is all nice and crystal clear. But not for long. And also, guys, please don't mind the bugs that will leave in a little bit. They just decided to come back. And they have been here throughout the full 2 months of June and July. And I haven't been able to do any videos outside. I'm really mad. But anyways, let's get this show on the road. But first, we gotta do the like button challenge. What's the like button challenge? Do you like swimming? Yes or no? Then press the like button. Make sure you comment down below if you like swimming or not. And let's get straight on into the video. Yo! It's a mosquito. I ain't about that. Alrighty, hey guys, why are you so dirty? So first thing we gotta do, guys, is get the ingredients. So first we gotta get a box. I don't know why I have to. And then you gotta get some glue. Some white glue, crazy art. And then you gotta get some paint. We got some pink. What kind of bird is that? Okay, anyways. And then we gotta get a fork. You know what? We don't need a fork, I just realized, because I'm not supposed to mix it. And then I got some glitter for later. Maybe we could squish that in, you know? Then we got some activator. Now, first of all, I got 2 activators. This one is the, like, stronger activator. And then that one is the weaker. I think I'm just gonna try the stronger because the water, like, mixes with the slime. So I think if we just get the strong one, we squish it in really quick, we can kind of, like, activate the slime before it starts to mix with the water. You know what I'm saying? All right, so let's do this. It's really hard to stay down, but I'm gonna try my best. So let's do this. Let's go. What the heck?
That was a fail, Ameerah.
There's a mess. No! That was a complete fail. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and throw this out. Take 2. I'm gonna try and squirt the water in a little bit like smoother, and maybe we should go over there so that I can like actually stay down. So I'm gonna do that. All right, let's go. Oh my god. Oh my god, this is so annoying. This isn't working out, guys. I need help. Okay, I'm gonna try this again. We're gonna try this again, put out the surface. Okay guys, we got the glue in. I'm trying not to move it. I'm just gonna put the activator right now because I don't have the paint with me, and also I'm gonna just try it with this. So yeah, let's do this. Uh-oh. I don't think it's working. I don't think it worked.
You made some slime.
I made some slime. Okay, the problem is that when you mix it, it like mixes with the water at the same time, so it kind of melts. So this time I'm going to try and squirt a lot of borax. And you know, let me take my goggles off. Okay. Okay guys, so here's how much freaking slime I made. So it kind of works, but I feel like it's just like, okay, excuse me, Coco. Anyways guys, so okay, so when you mix the borax with the glue kind of just the slime mixes with the water at the same time, so it really melts it, and I feel like the pool water melts it even more. So I think the next time I'm gonna try this again, and I'm gonna try and put a lot of borax, like I'm gonna really cover it. So let's try this again. But here's the slime I made. Not too bad, right? Although I don't recommend making slime in your pool because I don't really think there's any purpose to it. Alrighty guys, take 2. Let's do this, we can do this. Okay, well that made a big mess, but I'm gonna kind of let it set. All right, let's go again. We're gonna activate it this time. Where did it go? Oh my god. Oh, well, here's a little piece. Okay, guys, you see these pieces? They get like instantly activated because the borax is like strong. But then the other pieces kind of just like go away. Anyways, guys, so here's a little piece. It works kinda, but like with maybe if I just like make a line of glue in the bowl, maybe I could do it. But I'm gonna use a different bowl because that one's all dirty and I feel like it won't work. So I'm gonna use a different bowl. I'm gonna try this again. Alrighty guys, we're gonna try this again, but this time I'm on the other side of the pool, so it's a little less foggy. It's still foggy though. Okay, anyway, it's still a little foggy, and then also I decided I'm gonna sit by the stairs because it's kind of like a little table. So yeah, we're gonna try this again. Okay guys, my strategy for this time is gonna be to make a line of glue like this, and then I'm gonna try and like activate the whole thing. So let's try this. Okay guys, I don't like this. It seems like it's going worse than the first time, and for some reason I can't get the glue to stop fogging up because like I put it inside the bowl, but then it like automatically fogs up, so it's really annoying. But I'm gonna try it again because I think we can do it. Oh no, there's a lot of water in this glue bottle now. Whatever, let's do this. Oh my god, I can't even see anything, guys. Alright, I decided just to take the box out for this. Here's the slime I made. Yeah, we did it, guys. Kinda.
That's a lot of slime too.
Yeah, we kinda did it. Oh my god. I'm trying to take my goggles off, but I can't. Make it the slime, guys. Okay, well, it seems like you can make the slime in the water. The only problem is kneading it. So, like, I think maybe if I put enough borax in the glue, maybe I can knead it underwater. But, like, that's the only problem, because look at the slime I made. That borax is very strong, because I just put, like, a little bit, and it's, like, completely overactivated. But, like, watch this, watch, guys. I'm going to put it inside the water for a little bit. And it starts to like immediately already weaken. I think it's time to make some pool bubbles. What do you think, Paul?
Pool bubbles, let's do it.
I couldn't do it. This is all leftover glue, guys. So I guess.
What just happened?
I almost drowned.
What happened?
Like I was just right here, and then after I put my foot in the wrong spot, and I just like fell. Okay, guys, we're gonna try this one more time, but I'm gonna try and put some paint in it too. So yeah, let me just go find the glue bottle because it went somewhere else. I think it's over there though. Also, I'm gonna try and get with this box, maybe something. All right, let's do this. It's still watery. Okay, now for the paint. Uh-oh. Okay, now for the activator. This time we gotta put a lot of activator. I can't see anything! Okay, I poured a lot of the activator. I think I put like almost all of it. Now we're gonna try and activate it. Oh my god, I can't see anything. I can't even see the GoPro. I did it! We did it, guys! Look at this. It's terrible slime, but we did it! We did it! I did it! Oh no. I made a piece of slime and it's halfway pink. Why does that sound like a rap song? I made a piece of slime and it's halfway pink. Alright Alright guys, well, I hope you liked today's video. We made our slime. It's really bad, but we did it. I don't know if you can make any other type of slime. Oh my god, imagine if we made cloud cream in here. Uh-oh. Anyways, guys, so if you enjoyed today's video, make sure you comment down below if you guys want me to do a part 3, or if you guys want me to try any other method, like maybe a box in a bag, or maybe piping bags. Maybe the piping bags would work, because like the piping bags, you use the water already, and it's good. Alright guys, thank you so much, and I really, really hope I see you next time. Bye! Not a good idea.